Lot number 2172A, John Deere LX188 liquid cooled engine, model number FD501V-BS00. We're going to do engine compression test, and we are going to do the oil filter side first. So we got 220 psi on the oil filter side. We're going to tear this motor down into a short block. All the other attaching parts will be for sale. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 if you want to buy parts off of this engine. Alright, we're going to do the starter side next. .23 psi for the starter side. Thank you for stopping by.